Hi ate, my name is Amir M. Leonin from the district of Yea. I'm a Kaba student. And tatanong ko lang po kayo, what's your name po muna ate?
Kathleen from Finance Management. Second year.
Napanood niyo na po ba yung film ng Kaba?
Yes po.
Pwede ko pong malaman, what's your feedback po about sa film ng Kaba?
For me, okay naman siya pero sa bandang dulo parang gusto ko ng part 2 dun sa dalawa, yung Bug Boss. Yun. Kasi parang kulang yung love story nila. Parang naudlot ba? Yun lang.
Thank you for your thoughts.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Amir Leonin from the Department of Kaba. I'm a YEA student. What's your name?
Marjorie C. Figueroa po from BSP 1A.
Have you watched the film of Kaba po?
I already watched na po.
What's your feedback?
Maganda po yung flow ng film nyo, kaso nga lang po medyo